Drams Unlimited, Stories that Inspire. By Riddhi Gangar, CFO Tata Motors Finance Limited. Mantra of my life. Build a foundation, grow, sustain, repeat. Before I walk you through my journey of climbing, let me first take you back to my journey of reaching base camp. January 2006, I cleared my CA to securing rank 7th in India. Naturally, my inclination was to get into one of the big four for my articleship, and accordingly, I was invited for the interview. Was given a topic for a group discussion: cricket, boom, bowled on first ball, why? Forget about talking about a sport of which I had no idea. I didn't even have a working TV at my home to even see a glimpse of this sport. Of course, I wasn't rejected, but they didn't have enough ground to select me either, as others did better than keeping mum. Failure? Not really. Joined a nice mid-sized firm, spent 3 months, and then I got a call from PwC. Well, yes, I was hired, as this time the topic was manageable, happy, smiley. Journey started, corporate environment, meeting and dealing with even bigger corporate clients, working under the shadow of a smart bunch of team members and amazingly intelligent managers. Life took direction for the perfect grooming. Let me take a pause and salute all those great people who gave me a strong foundation and grooming for the next stage of my life. Day of my CA final result, 12th July 2008. My hubby, then best friend, woke me up and told me that sadly I couldn't progress much from the last time and again ended up securing 7th rank only. At the cost of sounding overly humble, I had absolutely no regard for the rank, but the potential of being rewarded with a promotion with a decent financial prospect turned my world. Yes, I needed it badly. I continued my journey with PwC for another year, and having served unforgettable 4 years, I moved to the industry and joined SR Group. Luck was in my favor, and I was entrusted with an opportunity to be the part of the team responsible for installing the system for the implementation of IFRS, which was patented for being first of its kind. Spent 2 years full of knowledge, guidance, and an even stronger base to push myself for more. May 2012, got a call from Tata Motors Finance Limited. The brand Tata needed no introduction of what it stands for, and I would be lying if I say I wasn't nervous. Came for an interview, had a couple of rounds of discussion, and got a call from HR. Yes, I was being hired as a subject matter expert, IFRS, as a senior manager. Phew. To be honest, it was tough to start off to establish my identity, as IFRS in India was still a distant thought, and although I was treated with the right level of respect, my profile had its own limitations. To thrive in an environment that didn't really see much change in a long time was an arduous task. 6 months back, I was told by our CEO that I'm being considered for the role of CFO, and I had no freaking idea where that came from. For me, more than capability to perform the role, it was all about an element of depth of responsibility of being a CFO of a regulated entity with book size of $5 billion. Yes, I had exposure and experience of 13 years, but I still was 34 and had never dreamt of being considered for the elevation so fast. I pinched myself, filled myself with all the questions. Is it a dream? What if I fail? Do I have enough in me to justify the role? When I look back, I realize one thing: all that one ever has to focus on is in being excellent in whatever one does, rest all will fall in place. Of course, it wouldn't have been possible without having the right people giving me valuable direction, and I can thank all those amazing people and my wonderful team who made me strong every single day that passed by in this journey and continuing further. Disclaimer: the views opinions expressed in the article are purely of the contributor. The readers are requested to take proper professional guidance before abiding the views expressed in the update. Association disclaims any liability in connection with the use of the information mentioned in the article.